Hello everyone, this is Yamin, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the table column type in Laravel. So here you can see I have a table called books and I have a column over here called description, and I am going to change this description column type. So here for this book table, the description type is string, and I am going to change it from string to long text, because long text will allow us to store more data compared to string. So in order to modify this, we need to open a command prompt in the project directory, and first of all we need to install a package. And in order to install that package, we need to say over here composer require dockrine/dbal, and then we'll press enter. We need to install this package in order to modify our table column name using command. So there you can see the package is installing. So right now I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see the package installation is done. So right now we need to write a command which is php artisan make clone migration. After that we are going to say over here modify underscore, we are going to mention our table name, and for my case here you can see our table name is books. So right now I am going to say over here in the command prompt I'll say books, then underscore, we'll say table, then we'll give a space, then we'll give to minus or dash dash, we'll say over here table equal to books, and we'll just press enter. And there you can see migration is created successfully. So right now if we just go back to our code editor, here you can see we have a new migration file over here which is modify underscore book underscore table.php. So here we need to write $table, this arrow side we are going to say long text, to first bracket to single quotation, and we are going to say it description, and after that we need to give this arrow sign and we need to say over here change. So right now, okay, let me just show you the book table. So here we are mentioning this description over here, and we are saying that the type will be long text. We have to change it, and after that here you can see the public function down. In this we just need to write the opposite. So let me just copy it from here and I will paste it over here, and instead of long text this time we are going to mention this string. So we'll say over here string, and let's save it. After that all we need to do is that we just need to run this command which is php artisan migrate, and press enter, and there you can see migration was successful. It means our description table type changed to long text. So right now if we just go back to our database, let me just refresh over here, and if you click on this table structure, there you can see the description is long text. There you can see. So this is how you can modify the Laravel table column type. So I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any question or any problem, just let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you as soon as possible. Make sure to subscribe. I really appreciate that, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.